This is a 2019 Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic. The color of this Ultra Classic is vivid black with gray pinstriping. This bike is in like new condition. There's not a blemish anywhere on this bike. It only has 1,106 original miles on the odometer. It's a little bit different than an Ultra Classic Limited. It's not as quite dressed as the Limiteds are, but the price will reflect that. It has the redesigned fairing with the vent in the front to reduce buffeting for the passenger and also the rider. LED headlight, LED driving lights. It does have ABS brakes. It has the smart security system. The paint on this bike is just absolutely beautiful. It's like it just rolled off the assembly line. One of the big differences between the Ultra Classic and the Limited is the Ultra Classic does not have the radiators and the cooling fans and the liquid piped into the cylinder heads. In place of that, it has a good old-fashioned large oil cooler. One advantage to that is in the lowers, you have the glove boxes where you can put your gear, one on each side. On a Limited, that's filled up with radiators and fans and holding tanks and plumbing. This 2019 Ultra Classic is equipped with a 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, made to do a 6-speed transmission. It has a 6-gallon tank, push-button fuel door, super comfortable seat. Your passenger will love riding on this bike. It has the smart security system with the 2 keys and 2 key fobs, the redesigned saddlebags, and also the redesigned tour pack. This bike is stock, so it has the stock intake, the stock exhaust, so it's ready for someone either just to ride the tires off of it or customize it to their liking. It has the LED lights on the tour pack for great visibility. Just absolutely beautiful paint on this bike. I mean, there are just no flaws in it. Now, being the 19 model, it has the new GTS boom stereo system, which there's a lot of advantages as opposed to the old 6.5-inch boom. It loads a lot faster. It has a different look to it. You can pipe your music into it with Bluetooth, your phone into it with Bluetooth. You can use headphones, you've got navigation. It has a lot of information about performance of the bike, service intervals, fuel mileage, a lot of different capabilities with the new GTS system. And like I said, it has 1,106 original miles on the odometer. Now, being a touring bike, of course, it does have the cruise control, the hydraulic clutch. You can control the GTS system either by the touchscreen or the hand controls. Nice little glove box. If you're in the market for a new touring bike and you don't have $30,000 to throw down, you take a good look at this 2019 Ultra Classic. It is in like new condition with 1,106 miles on the odometer, 107 Milwaukee 8, 6-speed. This bike is ready for the highway, ready for your next road trip. The bike is still under factory warranty. So in the event you do have a problem, you can roll into any Harley dealer in the country and get the bike fixed. For information on how to put this like new 2019 Ultra Classic in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.